Welcome back to Pure,
course I did.
Vital Life,
You think I'd
where
forget the
we
most
uncover
important thing?
simple health secrets. Today we focus on blood circulation for those over 60. Do you often feel cold hands, numbness in your toes, or unexplained fatigue that makes simple daily tasks feel incredibly exhausting? These are not just signs of aging. They are silent alarms from your body signaling that your blood flow is struggling. Poor circulation is a major health crisis, leading to heart risks and strokes if we simply choose to ignore the symptoms. Many people try to fix this by taking 20 different supplements, creating confusion and fear, instead of finding a real solution. Today, we are going to simplify everything. You do not need a pharmacy in your kitchen to regain your vascular health. We introduce the power of only two. Just two specific vitamins can revolutionize how your blood flows and heals your arteries. This approach is designed specifically for those over 60, targeting the root causes of stiffness and blockage in your aging vessels. Imagine walking without pain, sleeping with warm feet, and feeling a surge of energy you thought was gone forever years ago. Let us dive into the science behind why your arteries stiffen and reveal the first miracle vitamin that changes the game. Your arteries are not just pipes, they are dynamic organs lined with a thin layer of cells called the endothelium. As we age, this lining gets damaged by high blood pressure, sugar, and inflammation, making the vessels stiff and unyielding. The biggest enemy here is misplaced calcium. Instead of going to your bones, calcium settles in your arteries, turning them into stone. This creates a dangerous paradox where your bones become brittle and weak, while your arteries become hard and dangerously narrow. When arteries are stiff, your heart must pump harder, raising blood pressure and increasing the risk of a sudden heart attack. You might not feel this calcification happening right now, but it is a silent process that accelerates rapidly after age 60. Think of it as a traffic jam. No matter how much fuel you have, the cars simply cannot move forward efficiently. But there is a way to reverse this traffic jam. We need a traffic controller to direct the calcium correctly. This brings us to our first superhero nutrient, vitamin K2. It is the most underrated vitamin for cardiovascular health today. Vitamin K2 activates a specific protein called matrix glow, which acts like a claw to grab calcium from your soft tissues. It then carries that calcium and deposits it into your skeletal system, solving two major problems for seniors at once. Without vitamin K2, calcium supplements can actually be dangerous. With K2, they become safe and effective for your aging body. So where do you find this miracle nutrient? The highest natural source is a Japanese dish called natto, fermented soybeans. If you cannot stomach natto, hard cheeses like Gouda and Brie also contain good amounts of this essential artery protector. You can also find K2 in egg yolks, goose liver, and grass-fed butter, but the amounts are often quite small. For therapeutic aromatic effects, supplements are often necessary. Look for vitamin K2 in the form of MK7 for best absorption. MK7 stays in your bloodstream longer, giving it more time to hunt down calcium deposits and clean your arteries thoroughly. A typical dosage often recommended is around 100 micrograms daily, but always start low and listen to your body. Crucial warning: if you are on blood thinners like warfarin, you must consult your doctor before taking vitamin K2. It interferes with how these drugs work. Never guess with your medication. Always get professional advice to stay safe. With vitamin K2 clearing the blockages, we have solved half the problem. Now we need to widen the roads. Clearing plaque is good, But if the vessel remains tight and constricted, blood flow is still limited and inefficient. Enter our second hero, vitamin B3, specifically in the form of niacin. This is the master of vasodilation. Niacin works by relaxing the smooth muscles in your vessel walls, physically widening the channel for blood to pass through. This is critical for those cold hands and feet. It pushes warm, oxygen-rich blood to the furthest extremities of your body. Beyond circulation, niacin is vital for energy. It helps convert the food you eat into usable fuel for your cells. It also has a profound effect on cholesterol, lowering the bad LDL and significantly boosting the good HDL levels. There is a unique side effect called the niacin flush. Your skin might turn red and feel warm or itchy. Do not panic. This flush is actually visual proof that the vitamin is working and your capillaries are opening wide. Be careful when buying. Niacinamide is another form of B3, but it does not have the same blood vessel widening effects. You want plain nicotinic acid or niacin for circulation. The flush-free versions often lack the cardiovascular benefits we seek. Natural sources include turkey, chicken breast, tuna, and peanuts. For plant-based eaters, mushrooms, green peas, and sunflower seeds are excellent ways to boost your daily niacin intake naturally. If supplementing, start with a very low dose, like 50 milligrams, to let your body adjust to the flush sensation. Taking it with a meal can also reduce the intensity of the flush while still providing the circulatory benefits you need. When you combine K2 and niacin, you create a powerful synergy. One cleans the pipes, the other widens them. This dual action restores the natural rhythm of your blood flow, reducing the burden on your aging heart significantly. But supplements are not magic pills. They work best when supported by a lifestyle that encourages healthy blood movement. Walking for just 20 minutes a day acts as a mechanical pump, helping push blood back up from your legs. Hydration is also key. Thick, dehydrated blood is harder to pump. Drink water consistently throughout the day to help circulation. Stress tightens blood vessels. Practice deep breathing or meditation to keep your arteries relaxed and open to flow. Reduce sugar intake. High sugar damages the endothelial lining we spoke about, undoing all the good work of the vitamins. High doses of niacin can stress the liver. If you have liver issues, this specific strategy might not be for you. The formula is simple. Clear the calcium with K2, widen the vessels with niacin, and keep the blood moving. Consistency is the secret. You cannot do this for 1 week and expect a lifetime of bad habits to vanish. Give your body at least 3 months of consistent care to see significant changes in your temperature and energy levels. Better circulation also means better sleep. No more waking up with cramps or cold feet disrupting your rest at night. Your brain needs this blood flow too. Improved circulation often leads to sharper memory and less brain fog in seniors. Aging does not have to mean decline. With the right tools, you can maintain a robust and active circulatory system. Remember the power of only two. Focus on these two key players, K2 and niacin, to simplify your health journey. Take control of your health today. Do not wait for the symptoms to worsen before you decide to take action. You have the knowledge now. It is time to speak with your doctor and see if this protocol fits you. Share this video with friends or family members who might be struggling with cold hands or poor circulation issues. Health is a journey, not a destination. Small steps taken every single day add up to massive results over time. Protect your heart, protect your brain, and reclaim your vitality. It is never too late to start caring for yourself. Let food be your medicine whenever possible. A nutrient-dense diet is the foundation that makes supplements work even better. Independence is the greatest gift of health. Keep your blood flowing to keep your freedom and your quality of life. Just like a river needs to flow to stay clean, your blood needs to circulate to keep you alive and well. Add some greens to your routine. While not high in K2, they support the overall environment for these vitamins to work. Absorption is key. Taking these vitamins with a meal containing some fat helps your body absorb them much more efficiently. Remember, K2 is fat-soluble, needing fat to absorb. Niacin is water-soluble, so you need to drink plenty of water. Monitor your progress. Checking your blood pressure regularly can show you if your new regimen is having the desired effect. Nothing beats the feeling of a doctor telling you that your numbers have improved and your arteries look younger. Do this for yourself, but also for the people who love you. They want you around, healthy and happy, for years. Do not get discouraged if you do not feel a change in day one. Biology takes time to repair and rebuild. Your body is always trying to heal itself. You are simply giving it the raw materials it needs to finish the job. Imagine the places you can go when your legs don't feel heavy and your breath comes easily and naturally. Strong legs depend on strong circulation. Keep those arteries open to maintain your mobility well into your golden years. Break free from the fear of aging. Knowledge is power, and you now possess the knowledge to change your destiny. These two vitamins are affordable, accessible, and scientifically proven. They are the hidden gems of cardiovascular health for seniors. If you found value in this, please hit the like button. It helps us reach more people who need this information. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into simple, effective health solutions. From cold hands to warm hugs, from fatigue to energy, the transformation begins with your next meal and your next step. Keep track of how you feel. Note the warmth in your extremities and the clarity in your mind as weeks pass. Let your golden years be truly golden. Do not settle for feeling just okay when you could feel absolutely fantastic. Partner with your healthcare provider. Use this video as a conversation starter to build a plan tailored just for you. Drink a glass of water right after this video. Start your circulation kickstart immediately with the simplest step of all. Put your shoes by the door. Make it easy to go for that walk. Remove the barriers to your own success. Laughter is also good medicine. It relaxes your blood vessels just like niacin does. Enjoy life and stay positive. Find movement you enjoy. It does not have to be a gym. Dancing, gardening, or swimming all count as circulation boosters. Gardening is excellent for circulation. The bending and stretching act as a natural workout for your blood vessels. Snack on nuts and seeds. They provide healthy fats that support the absorption of vitamin K2 and heart health. Watch your salt intake. Too much salt stiffens arteries. Use herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of sodium. Garlic and turmeric are also great friends of circulation. Add them to your meals alongside your K2 and niacin sources. Warm baths or foot soaks can temporarily widen vessels and provide relief while the vitamins work on the long-term fix. Gentle massage helps move stagnant blood. Take time to care for your legs and feet at the end of the day. Elevate your legs slightly when resting. This uses gravity to help blood flow back to your heart more easily. Routine is your friend. Take your supplements at the same time each day to build a habit you will not forget. Use reminders if you need to. A simple note on the fridge can save you from missing a crucial dose. Stay curious. Science is always evolving, and staying informed is the best way to protect your health as you age. Talk to your friends. You might find that they have the same symptoms, and you can support each other's journey. Think of this as planting a tree. You water it today, and it provides shade and shelter for years to come. You deserve to feel good. You deserve to have energy. Do not accept aches and pains as a normal part of life. Love your body enough to give it what it needs. It has served you well for decades. Now it needs your help. K2 directs the traffic. Niacin widens the road.
Yes.
Together they
Take
keep
one
the
tablet
highway
daily
of
with
your
food.
life running
You should be all
smooth and
set.
fast.
Thank you so much.
As the sun sets on today, plan for a healthier tomorrow. Your body is ready to heal if you start now. We truly appreciate you spending your time with us. We hope this information brings you warmth, health, and happiness. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your engagement helps us create more free content for everyone. Check out our other videos for more tips on nutrition, longevity, and living your best life after age 60. This has been a presentation by Pure Vital Life. We are dedicated to making complex health science simple and actionable for you. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your physician regarding any medical conditions or treatment plans. Thank you for watching this Vital Health Guide. Subscribe to Pure Vital Life for more life-saving tips. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.